So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run the scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. I'm also going to be leaving down below 3 links for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I've got the NVIDIA app. And then once you're in our software, you're going to click on the driver tab. Now you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. And now for the next step, you're going to come back into CMD. We're now going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.